Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today is our second lecture in the series. In the first one, we discussed how to install Java on Windows 10 machine. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Eclipse IDE for Java EE on Windows 10 machine. So for do that, the first thing we have to do is download and run the installation. We will go to our browser, go to Chrome, and open up google.com. And in the search bar, we will type in Eclipse IDE download. This will take us to the search result page. In the results, we will click on Eclipse download from the Eclipse Foundation. This will take us to eclipse.org download page. The latest version of Eclipse IDE as of today is Eclipse IDE 2018 -12. So we will click on the download 64-bit version for Windows 10 and again click on download. This will get the download started. It will take few seconds to download. And what we are downloading is the Eclipse installation packager. So this packager contains many platform of Eclipse, and the one we will install from that will be the Java EE version of the Eclipse. All right, so as you can see, the installation is done. We're going to go to our download directory. You can see the Eclipse installation Windows 64.exe file is there. Double click on that, and that will start the installation process. All right, the Eclipse installer is starting. Now, as I said, it's a packager, so Eclipse installer has options to install Eclipse IDE for several different platforms. What we will choose is the Eclipse IDE for Java EE. This will give us all of the features that we will need to run our Java Enterprise Edition development. So we'll click on that. It will ask you for the installation folder. I preferred installing all of my development software into DDev, so you can choose any of the folder that you want to install. The one thing I'm going to change is I'm going to remove Eclipse from here and then keep it to dev JEE-2018-12. Click on install. I will ask you for the Eclipse Foundation to accept the certificate. So you accept the certificate. All right, so now the installation is complete, and I'm going to click on Launch Eclipse. So now Eclipse is starting up. The first thing is before it starts is to ask you for a workspace. Now, workspace is a directory location where you keep all of your development files. So I prefer creating a directory in data workspaces folder, and within the workspaces folder, let's create a new folder, and we will name our new workspace as test workspace ws, and then we'll go back to our workspaces and then browse to that location, which was d data workspaces test ws. Select the folder and click on launch. Now it's going to run and configure the workspace and also load all of the Eclipse plugin that are needed for Java EE development. So we then while it's doing it, we're gonna go some of the features that Eclipse feature. Eclipse is an open source platform, which is what good about it is freely available and it's widely worked on. It's used by many developers who develop in Java. It's a very popular IDE. Eclipse is easy to use and it has a lot of plugins available from third party to work on. All right, so now as you can see, Eclipse has started. When it first launches, it shows you the welcome page, and welcome page has different options available. So we're not going to use the welcome page. So close the welcome page. Now this is how the Eclipse IDE looks like. I'm going to show you how to create a simple Java project as part of this training. And then later on, we will go over much more detail of creating Java. But for now, I'm going to show you how to create a simple Java. So the first thing we do is we switch our workspace. We open up Windows, go to Show, View, and then we open up click here and we open up a Java perspective. Let's go to File, New, and then do a Java project. This is the Create Project window. So the first thing you need to do is enter the name of the project. So I will say simple Java will be the name of my project. Um, make sure you use the location of your project is what we have created, which will be defaulted. The execution environment is the one we downloaded and installed, the Java SE11 in our previous training session. We'll keep that. There's nothing else you need to change. Click on Finish, and this will create a very simple Java project. Now it's going to ask you to create new module info. For now, uh, select the option Don't Create. All right, here is a simple Java project that we have, which is source directory. Source directory is where all of the Java class files are stored. Within the source directory, we will further organize it by creating a new package. Package is something that the way you organize your Java source code. So I'm going to create my package and call it com the training.java. Click on Finish. And then under the package, we will create our first Java class. So, and this is the Java class dialog box. We will name our class. We will call it Simple Java for the ease of use. Keep everything else. One thing you want to select is make it a say public static void main method should be added to your class. Click on Finish, and this is your very first Java class. The class name is Simple Java. There is one method in the class, which is the main method, and main method is the starting point of any Java program. So this will be a starting point. Just to keep things simple, we will ask this program to print out hello world. A very simple example. So do system.out.println and it will say hello world. Save it. And then the way we run our Java program is right click, come down here, run as and Java application. So when you do that, you will see this hello world printed. And this is a sample of a very simple Java program which we created in our Eclipse IDE. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this training video. Please click subscribe icon to subscribe for this YouTube channel to be able to see more benefit video in the future. Thank you very much.